हाय एवरीवन, कैसे हैं? आई होप आप सभी लोग अच्छे होंगे। और प्रीवियस क्लास में मैंने डिस्कस किया था टॉपिक रूल्स फॉर इमेज फॉर्मेशन बाय स्फेरिकल मिरर, जिसमें मैंने आपको 4 रूल बताए थे। फर्स्ट वन इज दैट लाइट कमिंग पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन दे विल passes from focus. Second one is that the light rays which passes through focus after reflection will be parallel to principal axis. Third one is that the light rays which passes through center of curvature, it will return back into their own path. And fourth one is that the light rays which strike on the pole follow the laws of reflection. Today I will discuss the very important point, that is image formation by concave mirror. So we start our topic, image formation by concave mirror. There are many conditions, many cases for that. The case number first is that when object is at infinity. What is the meaning of this? It means that object is placed at unmeasurable distance. When object is at infinity, suppose that this is the what? Concave mirror. This is the principal axis, that is focus, that is center of curvature. The light rays, we know that passes through focus after reflection will parallel to principal axis, and the light rays which passes through center of curvature are returned back into their own path, or return back into their own path. एक चीज़ आप सभी बच्चे दिमाग में रखेंगे कि फोकल लेंथ और रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर, रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर इज 2 टाइम्स ऑफ फोकल लेंथ। तो जब भी होगा आप इस डिस्टेंस को मेज़र करेंगे, ये डिस्टेंस और ये डिस्टेंस आपस में इक्वल होना चाहिए, तो डायग्राम आपका लगभग सही आएगा। और लाइन ये एक दूसरे के पैरेलल आप ड्रा करेंगे तो ये पिक्चर आपका बिल्कुल क्लियर और सही बनेगा। तो व्हेन ऑब्जेक्ट इज एन इंफिनिटी, द इमेज विल बी फॉर्म वेयर एट फोकस। सपोज दैट कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट ए और बी था, देन इमेज विल बी फॉर्म्ड एट फोकस एंड रियल, inverted and much smaller than object. And why it is a real image? Because it is formed by the true meeting of the 2 reflected rays. This is the incident ray and this is the reflected ray. This is the incident ray and this is the reflected ray. So when object is at infinity, the image will be formed, dash देंगे point number 1 at focus. Second one is that real, and if image is formed real, then it always form inverted. Third point is that inverted, and fourth one is that much smaller than object, or you use the another word that highly diminished, or highly diminished. So it is very important point, freeze in your mind. When object is at infinity, the image will be formed at focus, real, inverted, much smaller than object, और highly diminished. ये वर्ड भी आप यूज कर सकते हो। इस डायग्राम को कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे एंड द पोजीशन ऑफ इमेज आपको याद होना चाहिए कि when object is at infinity then image will be formed at focus. That is a very important point, and this point is freeze in your mind that when object is at infinity image will be formed at focus. Here two rules we are used, that is what? The light rays coming focus after reflection will parallel to principal axis, and the second rule is that the light rays which passes through center of curvature are returned back into their own path. This diagram is also constructed like this, that is what? Concave mirror. This is the principal axis pole, that is focus, that is center of curvature. The light rays coming parallel after reflection will passes through focus, the light rays coming parallel to principal axis after reflection passes through focus. This diagram is also constructed like this. Everybody draw this diagram in your book. Now we start to the case number 2. Now we start the case number 2. When object is beyond, when object is placed beyond the center of curvature, beyond the center of curvature means ऑब्जेक्ट सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर के बाहर है, या इसी बात को आप ऐसे भी कह सकते हो कि ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस्ड between center of curvature and infinity. यहाँ पे इन दोनों बातों को आप ध्यान में रखेंगे कि वर्ड्स पे ध्यान देंगे. When object is placed beyond the center of curvature, यानी ये क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी आ सकता है कि सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर के बाहर है, और object is placed between center of curvature and infinity. Here you draw the picture of what? Concave mirror. This is the concave mirror. This is the principal axis pole, that is the F, that is the C. Here object is placed. The light rays coming parallel to principal axis. Suppose that this is the object A and B. After reflection it will passes through focus. The second is that the light rays passes through center of curvature. It return back into their own path, and here image is formed, that is B dash A dash. So when object is placed beyond the center of curvature, you observe that image is formed between F and C. F means focus, C means center of curvature. So the image will be formed, first point between F and C. F and C मतलब focus and center of curvature. Image will be formed between F and C. Point number 2. कैसी इमेज होगी? Because it is formed by true intersecting of reflected ray, so it is real और real image है तो inverted होगी, that is inverted. And fourth one is that smaller than object, and other word is used that diminished. इसे ऐसे भी बोलेंगे कि diminished image बनेगी या smaller than object. So here you observe that when object is placed beyond the center of curvature, or object is placed between center of curvature and infinity, the image will be formed between F and C. F means focus and C means center of curvature. Real, inverted is smaller than object. Here you also use the two important rules. Light rays coming parallel passes through focus, and the light rays which passes through center of curvature are returned back into their own path. Okay, and now the case number third. Now we start the case number third. When object is placed at center of curvature. It is very important point. When object is placed at the center of curvature, many times asked in your examination, freeze in your mind with the help of this case, you will solve the many numerical problem. Now, first of all, we draw the picture of what? Concave mirror. This is the concave mirror. That is the pole. That is the F. That is the C. Object is placed at C. The light rays coming parallel, after reflection will passes through focus. Second one is that the light rays passes through focus, after reflection they will what? Will be parallel to principal axis. Here object is A and B, the light rays coming parallel to principal axis, after reflection passes through focus. Second rule is that the light rays which passes through focus after reflection will parallel to what? Principal axis. Here one very important point, that here image is formed, you will see that at the center of curvature, जहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट रखा है इमेज वहीं बन रही है. रियल, inverted and same size of object. So it is very important point, in which case the image is formed same size of object. Your answer will be that when object is placed at the center of curvature. So when object is placed at center of curvature, the image will be formed. First point, at center of curvature. Second one is that real. Third one is that inverted, and fourth one is that same size of object. So it is very important case for the image formation by concave mirror. When object is placed as center of curvature, the image will be formed where? At the center of curvature. Same size of object, real and inverted. Now we will discuss about the case number 4. Case number 4. When object is placed between focus and center of curvature. It is concave mirror. That is principal axis, that is the pole, that is the focus, that is the C, any center of curvature. Object is placed between F and C. The light rays coming parallel to principal axis. After reflection, they will passes through focus. The light rays which passes through focus after reflection will parallel to principal axis. Here you will observe that A and B, that is B dash, A dash. Here you observe that the image is what? Real, beyond the center of curvature, inverted and larger than object. It is the first time, or you can say that it is the first case in which image is formed larger than object. Then the image will be formed point 1, that is beyond the center of curvature, beyond the center of curvature. Second one is that real, third one is that inverted, and fourth one is that larger than object. Very important point, that when object is placed between focus and center of curvature, the image will be formed beyond the center of curvature. You see in a picture. Real, because it is formed by the true intersecting of the reflected ray. आप एरो के माध्यम से रे को दिखाना है. Third one is real image always formed inverted and larger than object. So it is the first case in which image is formed larger than object. Now we will discuss about the case number 5. Now we start case number 5. When object is placed, when object is placed at focus. You draw the picture. This is the what? Concave mirror, that is pole, that is the focus, that is the center of curvature. Here you place the object, the light rays coming parallel after reflection passes through focus, and the second one is that the light rays which passes through center of curvature are returned back into their own path. Here you observe that the image is formed where? At infinity, means that the reflected rays are meet at infinite distance. So when object is placed at focus, the image will be formed point 1 at infinity. Second one is that real, third one is that inverted, and fourth one is that much larger than object. So that is the what? Case number 5, that when object is placed at focus, the image will be formed at infinity, means that reflected rays are meet at unmeasurable distance. Second one is that real, inverted, and much larger than object. Now we will discuss about the last case, that is the case number 6, when object is placed. Number 6, when object is placed between pole and focus. When object is placed between pole and focus, that is what? Concave mirror. Pole, that is the focus, that is the center of curvature, and object is placed here, that is the parallel line passes after reflection passes through focus. The light rays which passes through center of curvature are returned back into their own path. You will observe in this picture what? These two rays are never meet in this direction, but imagine that these light rays appear to meet here, and the image is formed what? Behind the mirror. Here you will observe that It is formed by the imaginary meeting of the reflected ray. You will imagine that these two reflected rays are meet here. So image will be formed what? Virtual. Then when object is placed between pole and focus, the image will be formed point first behind the mirror, virtual है तो erect and larger than object. It is very important condition, but why? Because you will observe that concave mirror in all cases real and inverted image, but only this case when object is placed between pole and focus, the image is formed what? Virtual. It means that कॉन्केव मिरर केवल यही एक ऐसी स्थिति है जहां पर इमेज वर्चुअल बनती है, अदरवाइज 5 केसेस में आपने देखा इमेज कैसी बन रही थी बेटा? सभी के सभी रियल बन रही थी। एक और चीज आपने ऑब्जर्व किया होगा, जितना ऑब्जेक्ट को मिरर के पास लाते गए उतनी ही इमेज बड़ी बनती चली गई। You understand? So that is the case number 6 is very important, because here image is formed what? Virtual, erect, larger than object. So today I have discussed about the image formation by concave mirror. सभी लोग अपने पास कंपास रखेंगे, पेंसिल रखेंगे, इरेजर रखेंगे, और जैसा कि मैंने बताया एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट कि F बराबर R/2 होता है। अभी मैं आगे पॉइंट डिस्कस करूंगा कि फोकल लेंथ ऑलवेज हाफ ऑफ द रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर, उसके अकॉर्डिंग इन दोनों की डिस्टेंस को फिट करेंगे, और आई होप कि डायग्राम को बेहतर तरीके से बनाएंगे। बोर्ड के एग्जामिनेशन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ये बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ये बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि इन सभी 6 केस के बारे में एक डिटेल स्टडी करें, बिकॉज न्यूमेरिकल के लिए भी ये पॉइंट बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट। थैंक यू, आज के लिए इतना।